Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip south on US Highway 61 as we enter the state of Arkansas at mile 78. Arkansas, like Missouri, doesn't seem to have any mile markers posted, but since the mileage is low in this state, it was a bit easier to trace the route on Google Maps to get the mileage. We're in Mississippi County, which is named not for the state, but for the Mississippi River, which forms the eastern boundary of the county as well as the state of Arkansas. Mississippi County is the easternmost county in the entire state since the Mississippi River runs to the southwest and the northeast corner of the state bulges out to the east a bit. Mississippi County's economy was traditionally driven by agriculture, but shifted to manufacturing in the 1980s. As of 2021, Mississippi County is the second largest steel-producing county in the United States. The county's position near the center of the country and along the Mississippi River allows the input for steel mills, scrap metal, to be shipped in on barges, often the most inexpensive method of shipping, and by railroad from Memphis. Arkansas is the 29th largest state by area and the 34th most populous, with 3,011,524 residents as of the 2020 census. Arkansas was part of the Louisiana Purchase and was admitted to the Union in 1836. The state began to see prosperity in the 1960s when it became the base of the Walmart Corporation, the world's largest company by revenue, headquartered in Bentonville. In the 21st century, Arkansas's economy is based on service industries, aircraft, poultry, steel, and tourism, along with important commodity crops of cotton, soybeans, and rice. We enter the city of Blytheville, which had a population of 13,406 as of the 2020 census. Blytheville was founded by Methodist clergyman Henry T. Bly in 1879. It received a post office the same year, was incorporated in 1889, and became the county seat for the northern half of Mississippi County, the Chickasaw District, in 1901. Blytheville received telephone service and electricity in 1903. And natural gas service in 1950. Forestry was an early industry spurred by the massive harvesting of lumber needed to rebuild Chicago following the Great Fire of 1871. The lumber industry brought sawmills and a rowdy crowd, and the area was known for its disreputable saloon culture during the 1880s and 1890s. The cleared forests enabled cotton farming to take hold, encouraged by ongoing levee building and waterway management. The population grew significantly after 1900. On Blytheville's western edge lies one of the largest cotton gins in North America. Soybeans and rice have also become important crops. The area around Blytheville continues to be farmed, though family farms have given way to large factory operations. In the 1980s, Blytheville began to develop an industrial base, much of which is centered on the steel industry. Until 1991, Blytheville was home to the Blytheville Air Force Base, renamed Eaker Air Force Base in 1988, a major airfield that was part of the Strategic Air Command. This part of US-61 in Blytheville is locally named North 6th Street. At Chickasaw Street, US-61 turns right and runs through a residential neighborhood. At Division Street, we turn left and head south again. Here we cross Main Street, which carries Arkansas Highway 18. Several blocks to the left is the Blytheville Historic Downtown Shopping District, which has the appearance of being preserved from 100 years ago, including the vintage S.H. Crescent Company 5 and Dime, which is listed on the National Register of Historic Places. Here we once again cross over to the east side of I-55. We conclude today's video here at an intersection with Arkansas Highway 312 around mile 68. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.